Hey everybody, Tattooed Squirrel here. So, most of you have seen the Instagram post and are wondering where I mounted the relay fuse box for the wireless Mictuning switch panel. So, I'm going to flip you around over here and I'm going to show you what I did. I'm a little bit OCD. For those of you that know me, understand that. I like to make sure everything looks somewhat factory and not just a big rat's nest. So I'm gonna turn you around. So what we have is the Mictuning controller box. I've got all my wires running zip tied for everything so far. My ditch lights, my rock lights, the XK Glow 36-inch chaser bar, and a few other things. So what you'll notice here is I took the straight mounting bracket from the Mictuning kit. I actually drilled out the hole on one side a little bit, and then the bracket for the controller itself, I cut the tabs off at the holes, drilled new holes, bolted this bracket to that bracket, which is underneath of the battery hold down. Then the second bracket for the switch, I made a 90-degree bend, mounted the 80 amp circuit breaker to it, and bolted it to the relay fuse box bracket here. So it's out of the way of the battery. You can still get the battery out. You can run all your wires to this. And the cool thing is where my switch is up on the armadillo hardtop. So you can pull this out. You can take it out, turn it on. Let's go with ditch lights and high beams, low beams off. And how about rock lights? Nice. And some other things that we'll get into, but there's no wires. You just plug it in, charge it up. It's pretty cool little system. I wanted to give it a shot, see how it actually works. You don't even have to be near the vehicle. I can't remember exactly how far they said, but yeah, obviously, see, on, off, high. So yeah, that is where I keep it, up out of the way, above my head, the armadillo hardtop, and everything up here is completely out of the way. The hood still shuts perfectly. All my wires look like they're factory. Nothing just scattered all over the place. So there'll be more to come. Stay tuned. Watch a few more of the videos. I'll probably just do candid ones like this one, throw it up on YouTube maybe, and basically there'll be walkthroughs. My patience level, as you know, there's a reason why I call myself and people call me Squirrel, is that I get sidetracked real easy. So for me to video something while I'm doing it, damn near impossible. But it is possible, just damn near impossible. So that being said, stay tuned, watch Instagram, follow, like, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and give us a shout out. Thanks.